Want to know how to override methods in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can override methods so that you can make your code less complex and simpler. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So this time we override the sound method. So you can see this sound method right here. So we have created a void sound method. Now the parent animal class has its own version, but in dog we override using add override. Now when we call a sound method on an animal reference holding a dog, it uses the child's version. That's method overriding. Same name and new behavior. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. So you can also see this code right here. So it prints out dog barks. So this is how method overriding works. See you in the next one.